Well, hey, sports fans, what's going on? What can I say? The wind got too crazy out there, and I needed something to protect my mouth. The dust was getting that bad. I hadn't seen anything this bad since moving out here to the Antelope Valley well over 15 and nearly 17 years ago. And living out in Lancaster, lived at the apartments on Ellen 10th, the Montecito Apartments. They had this huge ass lot on the north side of it. I'd go out there and I'd see this damn dust storm all over the place. I've been walking out there just trying to deal with the shit. One of the rare times I'm actually wearing something that Amazon actually works. I only have to get this damn thing adjusted and worked on here. How am I breathing? Well, I'm breathing through the damn thing because we had wind blowing through here. So it's got to settle out a little bit. Could have had the door closed, but I should have dealing with the damn bug war. It's just screw it. Right now it's 12:28 p.m. It's the 14th of February. This is supposed to be Valentine's Day. Why don't you breathe in a lungful of dust for this one? God, I'm pissed. Yeah, I'm a little frustrated over this shit. Because I didn't expect this crap to happen today, alright? No, actually, I did. I heard the warnings about it. Every time we've had some wind over here, it's been about 20 or 30 miles, and I'm usually laughing my ass off on the damn thing because I think it's funnier than shit. But after seeing this stuff out there, yeah, I'm taking it seriously enough. So while walking my dog out there, the wind kind of died down, but 10 to 15 minutes ago, and for the longest time, it's been heavy. So naturally, I'm doing this getup. Real fun. Real fun. Right now, I'm just trying to do some file transfers. The computer's still running slower than crap right now. And what I'm trying to do is get all the videos I can and compile them and send them out. I'm usually trying to send them over to the weather service out in Hanford because I thought they might be needing this stuff. So, I decided to keep this log journal going on this way. Yeah, call me crazy, but yeah, that's insane enough right now as it is. So, I've also seen how the dust has been affecting other parts of the places out there. Shit. So right now, I'm just getting myself set up as I said before. Hold on a second. Can you hear me now? Can you see me now? I had to wear this. As uncomfortable and as warm it is, I had to wear this thing outside. It was either that or using some of my other grungier masks. Most of them I got rid of. I only kept a few left. But I needed something to protect my face. I had the balaclava, so what to say, what the hell. Might as well use the damn shit in the first place. But it's alright. It's alright. Because it's nasty out there, and I'm not dealing with this crap. So I just wanted to get our weather. I just wanted to let you know it's windy as hell out there. And if I have to get up into this getup, doing this kind of broadcast, yeah, it's that bad out there. So until next time, boys and girls.